Hello everyone, and welcome to another terrific installment of Maker Monday here with Brentwood Library. And I'm Mr. Andrew, and I'll be showing you your project for this month. So, if you look behind me, you're gonna see all kinds of cool swirling colors and everything. And do you know where that comes from? Do you know what that's called that you use to see all this kind of stuff? That's right, it's called a kaleidoscope. And when you look into a kaleidoscope, you see light and color kind of being spun around and making all kinds of cool, different kinds of things to look at. And today, for your project, you are going to be making your very own kaleidoscope. And the finished product will look something like this. So you see, you can look through it, and you can see all kinds of shapes and colors as you spin it. So it's very, very cool that way. And it's very simple to make, very easy. All you need is a few simple supplies, and we're gonna talk you through making it right now. Take a look. All right, so in order to make our kaleidoscope, we'll need a couple of things that are all gonna be available in the kit here at the library. And those are a little toilet paper tube, little piece of round paper, a few strips of reflective mylar, tape, and a straw. Very easy, very, very simple. So the first thing that we're gonna do to get our kaleidoscope going is we're going to take our round piece of paper and we're going to draw some fun designs on it. As you can see, I've got some lines, I've got some dots, I've got some X's, and that's all the things that are gonna show up on the inside of your kaleidoscope whenever you complete this project. So that's a good place to start, and you can draw that up. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to take our 3 mylar strips, the reflective mylar, and we need to, there's gonna be a film on the reflective edge here that you're gonna wanna take off. And I have already done that, so, or I would demonstrate it. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're gonna take the non-reflective side of the mylar, and we are gonna put them just like this, so that they're slightly close together. Now you might need to trim the mylar a little bit when you get it, so that it fits snugly inside the toilet paper tube. So as you can see, these are all about the same length as the toilet paper tube, so they will be able to fit in there just fine. So once we've checked the size on that, what our next step is to tape the strips together. You're gonna do that just like this. I would suggest using at least 2 or 3 pieces of tape on each one of these to try and hold it together. All right. So once we have finished putting them together, just like this, then our next step is going to be to take our strips here, and we're going to fold them in on each other, just like that, you see? And then we're gonna take our tape again, and we're going to put that together just like that. And it's gonna make a triangular prism, just like that, with our little bits of mylar. Very good. So the next step will be to take our toilet paper tube, take our mylar, and put it inside of there. Now it should be a more snug fit. Mine, unfortunately, is a little bit too wide, but it will still work. I cut it a little thin whenever I tried this myself. So that'll be something to watch for. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your tape and you are going to attach the prism on all the open sides to the inside of the tube. And you're gonna do that for both of the sides here. And there we are, and there we go. And then you're gonna do the same for this side here. And like I said, if you can get it to be a little bit better in terms of the shape than mine was, then that's all the more power to you. You might not have to adjust too much, hopefully, but believe me when I say that even if it's a little off, it will still work just fine. All right, there we go. So now we've got those rectangular, or triangular rather, triangular prisms inside of the kaleidoscope. So that means our next step is to take our straw and we're gonna tape it to one end of our kaleidoscope here. So you're gonna take your tape, you're gonna take your straw, and you're gonna go ahead and just like this. Very good. You might need to adjust the angle of your straw a little bit, but you want the bendy side out facing one of the edges there. Very good. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little paper circle that we've already drawn on, and we're gonna poke a little hole right in there. I just used a sharpened pencil, so you can use whatever you want to try and make a nice hole there in the center of your thing. So then you're gonna wanna put the edge that has all the colors and fun designs that you put on it just right there, and make sure it goes to the end of the bendy part. So it's going to look something like this. And that means that whenever you look through it, you can see that there are some fun little colors and shapes that are being made in there with the design that you made. So that's how you put together your kaleidoscope. So there you go. That's how you make a mini kaleidoscope of your very own. And kits for the materials to be used to make it can be picked up at the library starting all this week. And if you're interested, take a look at it. And inside of your kit will be all the supplies that you need and instructions to make it, and also a link to this video just in case you need to refer back to it to see the steps done in order. So there we are. We hope that you put some really cool shapes and colors on there. And if you'd like to share that with us, you can use our hashtag BrentwoodLibraryPGH and take a look. We are very excited to see what you come up with here. And if you want to, you can even paint the outside of your toilet paper tube here, just like this. And it's gonna be a very cool project to put together. We look forward to seeing what you do. So until next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.